Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty, and I'm usually wearing makeup, but it is Christmas. Today, the day that I'm filming this video is Christmas, and I did not wear makeup because it was just not important. I was spending time with family, and not that I don't wear makeup around my family. It's just there's a lot going on. So the dark circles are barking, and let's get into my Boxycharm By Ipsy box for January 2025. Even though I said my last box of 2024, so technically this is 2025. We're in the new year. We're in the future. I haven't even done my choices because that's January 1st for the 3rd. But I didn't know I was getting this. Last month it was super late and last month my box was stolen. So had to wait to get another box. And then also my boxes usually come today is the 25th, but usually comes like the 28th, something like that. But I'm happy, okay? This is going up. I did not lie. This technically is not the last box of 2024. So I got and I do spoilers. I do post spoilers for Boxycharm and for FabFitFun. So that sounds interesting to you if you like subscription box spoilers, if you like subscription box unboxings, if you like beauty, I would click subscribe. That's mostly what I post. So this is the Noto, N-O-T-O Deep Serum Face and Neck Serum, multi-use, natural, and universally sexy. Okay, because using serums is sexy. And it has a bunch of different oils in it. I thought it was interesting. It has coffee oil, but yeah. So it's this particular oil. I like it. I don't know. The packaging is kind of cool. So yeah. And then we have from Ofra. Let's see, got something from Ofra last month. And which was it last month? I got 2 liners because I also got 3 Ipsy Glam bags sent to me. This is the Midi Palette Blossom Blush. And I haven't decided if I'm keeping this or I'm going to put it in a giveaway or give it to family because I have more olive to warm neutral skin. So I do like this shade, but I don't know about these 2 shades. This is like a pinky highlighter and I just don't know how this would look on my skin. I feel like it would have a cast. I wish they would do something different with their packaging. It's just kind of whatever. Anyway, and then, so I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that yet. And then I got from Wonder Beauty, this is the In Neutral eyeshadow palette. I think this is pretty cool actually. For a neutral palette, I think it's more cool tone. This is more cool tone / true neutral. The shimmers themselves, are they revolutionary? No, but this is a good work palette. So, and there is some shine to them, and usually they're pretty blendable. I don't know, I'm excited to use this for work. I don't know why some of the pans are kind of I don't know if you can tell, but they're sort of I don't know. And it was a little dirty, but whatever. I'm excited to try that out. I don't usually get excited about neutral palettes, but I want something different. And then we have from Lift, we have 2 brushes. Even though I just did a blush. Ugh. I just did a brush declutter. I literally gave I gave 2 of my sisters and my mom brushes. And I got rid of big brushes, but I don't know. Maybe I'll like this for bronzer. And then might both be nice for bronzer. Actually, they're really soft. Look at this. But yeah, look at that. That's the only thing I don't like big brushes, but I guess you can kind of blend, they kind of have a chemically smell, but they're nice. They feel kind of smooth, and I like the black, and I like the double colors, the Dew 5. Maybe it's 3 different colors? Yeah. So I just heard Jaclyn Hill talk about their eyeliner, but I've never really heard anyone talk about Lift except for Boxycharm, but even then I still don't really hear people talk about them. And then, let's see, and then last but not least, I feel is this the legging brand Aloe? The same, the workout wear? But anyway, if it's not, I don't know. But this is the Aloe Wellness System Enzyme Facial Cleanser with pineapple enzymes, aloe, and avocado oil. Different aloe, different spelling because there's an E on the end. But this is cool looking, I don't know if you can see the bubbles, but it's this cool looking glass. I get so many cleansers in Boxycharm, but this seems more hydrating. There's some oils in there. It doesn't seem drying. So I'm excited to try that out. So I wouldn't say a miss. This is my PR unboxing. I didn't get to choose any of these products. I'm excited for my pay for box for the selections because this is a good start for the new year. Again, if you like subscription box unboxings, if you like spoilers, if you like beauty videos, and I usually post my daily makeup look. So if I'm wearing makeup, I usually post it. So if you like that, I post that on my Instagram, Vegan Brie 823. And then I sometimes post shorts. I used to do daily shorts, but maybe I'll get back into that in the new year. We shall see. I also post on TikTok for as long as TikTok's around, not as often as on Instagram. But yeah, if you like those, I work a office job, so more wearable, but also glam makeup. But as always, I end my videos with always stay safe, healthy, and do something that makes you happy. My form of self-care is for beauty. What is your form of self-care? Because it's always important to take care of you. You can't take care of others unless you take care of yourself. So I hope to see you in my next video.